Hi there, welcome to our Mat Pilates video series from Fundamentals or Pre-Pilates to Beginner. Today we have a class number 4, which means our first Mat Pilates, or let's say Pre-Pilates flow, is waiting for us today. So I hope you're guys ready and let's get started. We will start in the cross-seated position in the middle of the mat. If you need, you can grab the yoga block and just place it underneath your hips to come and sit maybe into a more comfortable position for yourself. We're going to draw the abdominal wall in, sit nice and tall, and we're going to place the hands on the rib cage, and we will practice the Pilates breathing to begin with. So we're going to take an inhale in through the nose and exhale out through the mouth. Inhale and exhale. Keep that abdominal wall in and exhale. One more time. Take an inhale, feel the ribcage expanding, and exhale. Squeeze all air out. Let's engage the arms into the work. Inhale, raise up, reach nice and tall, and exhale, lower down. One more time. Inhale and exhale. Well done. We'll come into the seated position at the bottom of the mat. Going to keep the feet hip distance apart, knees are bent. Going to hold underneath the kneecaps. We will practice our C curve. So sit nice and tall to begin with. Roll your shoulders back and press them down. Draw your abdominal wall in. Take an inhale around your lower back, around your middle back, around your upper back. Create a C curve from your body. Okay, draw that abdominal wall in even deeper. Imagine there is an apple in between your chin and your chest, and then with exhale, come up into the seated, reach nice and tall, and let's continue. Inhale and exhale. Keep breathing. Keep that abdominal wall in, engaged. Inhale, extend your arms, and exhale. Come up back into the seated. Let's go one more time. Inhale, round your back, draw the abdominal wall in, tilt your pelvis posteriorly, and exhale. Come back into the seated. Well done. We're going to reach the arms forward. If you need, you can always grab underneath your thighs to help yourself, and we'll practice halfway roll down. So we take an inhale, continue with your C curve, and try to come into position when you feel your abdominals engaging, shoulders are away from the ears. Inhale and then exhale. Come back into the seated. Now let's continue for 3 more. Inhale, lower down. Hold here for a second. Feel your abs shaking. And then exhale. Come up into seated. Nice and tall. Perfect. Shoulders away from the ears. Inhale, draw the abdominal wall in. Push the belly button in towards your lower back. You can always grab here underneath your thighs. Exhale, come up back into seated. Inhale. And exhale. Well done. We will come one more time into this position. Inhale, lower down. Exhale, we open through the right side. Look there behind you. Bring your arm forward and open through the left side. And bring the arm forward. Hold here for a second in the position. Inhale. And then with exhale, come back into seated position. Well done. From here we will come all the way down on the mat. Big inhale. Draw the abdominal wall in. Slowly roll yourself down on the mat with the control until you reach the mat fully. And place your hands down on the mat. Well done. Bring your feet closer. From here, we're going to come into the neutral spine position. Okay, so the natural curvature of the spine between your lower back and the mat, shoulders and head Relax, arms are down beside the body. And we go with the pelvic tilt. So we're going to take an inhale, we're going to draw the abdominal wall in, press lower back towards the mat, squeeze your pelvic floor muscles, and coccyx reach towards the ceiling. Small internal movement, and exhale, release. And let's go 3 more. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Well done. Keep your neutral spine position, and from here we're going to try to lift the left hip bone higher and come back into the neutral, and your right hip bone comes a little bit higher and come back into the neutral. One more time on each side. Left hip up, our compass situation, and the right hip bone higher and come back into the center. Well done. Keep your arms beside your body. Make sure your feet are close enough to your bum, and we're going to come into the pelvic curl. So we're going to take an inhale, tilt your pelvis, and then with exhale roll your back off the mat, come into your pelvic curl or shoulder bridge position. Okay, so the shoulders, hips and knees are aligned. Well done. Inhale and then exhale. We're going to slowly roll back down on the mat, one vertebra at a time, and let's continue. Inhale and exhale, lift up. Okay, so your pubic bone is reaching towards your knees and your hip bones are reaching towards the bottom of your rib cage. Inhale and exhale, lower down. Perfect. You can use your arms to press your hips up into the shoulder bridge position. Perfect. Hold here. Inhale and then exhale, lower down. And let's go for one more time. Inhale and exhale, lift up, lengthen your spine and lower down. With exhale, slowly, with the control, take your time. Perfect. From here we're going to reach the arms above the head. We're going to take an inhale, and then with exhale we'll draw the abdominal wall in, and we will peel the head and the shoulders off the mat. Arms shoulder height, chest lift position. Inhale, lower down, and let's go for 3 more. Exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Well done. Going to lower down, and from here we're going to lift the right leg into the tabletop position, so the shin is parallel with the mat. We're going to bring the hands behind the head. We're going to take an inhale to prepare, and then with exhale we will lift up. Inhale, we twist the torso, knee to elbow, back into the position. Exhale and inhale, we lower down in the position. Let's practice for 3 more. Our chest lift with the rotation. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, lower down. Okay, so let's go on. Inhale to prepare and exhale. Well done. We're going to lower the right leg down, and let's bring the left leg into the tabletop position. Find your neutral spine. Take an inhale to prepare and exhale. Lift the head and the shoulders off the mat. Squeeze the belly button in and inhale, knee to elbow. Exhale, come back into the center. Inhale, lower down. And let's go on. Exhale. And exhale. Inhale, come back into the center. And exhale, lower down. Let's go one more time. Exhale. And lower down on the mat. Bring your hands down beside your body. And from here, we're going to bring the right leg up and we're going to bring the left leg to join. Keep your pelvis in the neutral position, or rather to press it down and tilt posteriorly towards the mat. And from here we will do the dipping, so we will lower the left leg down and bring it back. We're going to lower the right leg down and bring it back, okay? So keep your belly button in and let's continue. Go 3 more on each side. And last one. Hold your legs in the position. Reach your arms above your head. And from here we're going to take an inhale to prepare. And exhale, come into your chest lift position. Inhale, lower down. And let's go for 3 more. Inhale to prepare and exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale, lower down. And exhale. And hold, lowering the right leg down and bring it up. You lower your left leg down and bring it up. Right and left. And let's go. Three more. Hold your head and your shoulders off the mat, arms shoulder height. And we are dipping the legs, hold the angle 90 degrees between your knee, and 2 more. Right and left. Hold here and now, attention. We're going to alternate right, left, right, left. Go on. Three more. Come back into your tabletop position and lower your head and your shoulders down on the mat. Well done. We're going to keep the legs in the position. We're going to reach arms out to the side. And from here we're going to come into the spine twist supine. So imagine we are holding the penny in between the knees, ankles out together, and we're going to lower the legs down onto the right side. We're going to bring the head to the opposite direction. Go as far as it lets you go, then draw your abdominal wall in and bring your legs back into position. Let's go onto the left side. Inhale. And exhale, push through your abs and come back into the center. Let's go one more time on the right side. Inhale. Drop your knees down. Keep your legs together. And exhale. And let's go to the left side one more time. Inhale. And then with exhale, come back into the center. Well done. From here we will drop the knees one more time to the right side. So we will come into our sideline position. Just move myself back on the mat. And we're going to keep the knees bent in the angle, arms together, palms on each other. From here we will draw the arm circle, so we will reach the arm above the head, out to the left side, so we open up through the chest And then with exhale, draw the arm back in the position. Let's go and do this one more time. Inhale, open up. And exhale, return back in position. Well done. We'll come into our sideline position for our sideline leg series. So we're going to place the hand underneath the head for the support. The top hand is in the front of the chest. We are reaching the legs nice and long. Find your neutral spine position. Okay, so imagine there is a wall behind you, and from here we're going to take an inhale. We will draw the top leg and in, and then extended leg, and we will roll lower down towards the other. Okay, so let's go. Inhale, draw that leg in. Exhale, try to extend that leg, and then lower down with the control. Let's go for 4 more. Inhale, bring it in. Extend and exhale, lower down. Let's continue. Inhale and exhale. Inhale in and exhale, lower down. One more time here. And exhale, over down. Well done. From here, just a leg lift. Try to raise your leg maybe into 60 degrees angle. Flex the foot, and then slowly with the control lower down. Let's go. Inhale and exhale. Two more. Well done. From here we're going to join the legs together, keep them together, and going to raise them up, and then exhale, lower down. So both legs together. Movement is coming from your powerhouse. Let's go. Inhale and exhale, lower. Let's go for 3 more. And last one. We're going to lift the top leg up, and we will lower the bottom leg and bring it back up and lower. Gently touch the mat and raise up. And let's go for 4 more. Inhale and exhale. Inner thigh muscles working, and hold up. Both legs together. Hold here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and lower both legs down. Well done. We're going to switch the sides and come onto the other side. So first of all, we will bend the knees, going to reach the arms forward, 90 degrees angle at your knees, and we will draw the chalk circle through the right side. Inhale, open up, and exhale, draw your circle back in the position. Inhale, open up through your chest, nice big circle all the way to the other side, and exhale, come back and reach forward. Okay, bring your arm underneath your head for the support. Extend your legs. You can keep them slightly reaching forward towards the top of the mat. So top hand and support. And we will start with our leg series. Let's go. Inhale, draw in, and exhale, lower down. Inhale, extend, and exhale, lower down. Let's continue for 3 more. Inhale and exhale. Keep your spine long and your neck long as well. Look forward in front of you, and let's go 2 more. And exhale. and exhale, lower down. And now just leg lift. Okay, so we go inhale, reach up, point the toes, and exhale, flex the foot and lower down. 3 more. And let's go last one. Well done. Let's join the legs together, keep them tight, engage your powerhouse, and let's raise both legs up and exhale, lower. Let's go. 3 more. And last one. Keep your top leg in the position and let's lower the bottom leg and raise up. And let's go for 5, 4, 3, 2, and last one. Bring it up and hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and lower down on the mat. Well done. And we are coming into our prone position onto our bellies. Perfect. So we're going to fold the hands. We're going to place the forehead on those hands and we start with the leg lift, single leg lift. Okay, so we're going to take an inhale, raise the right leg up and then exhale, lower down. Try to reach your leg long from the hip joint, point the toes. And 7 and 6 and 5 and 4 and 3 and 2 and last one. Let's switch the leg. Left leg, we go inhale and exhale, lower. Gently touch the mat and raise up again. Extend long, point the toes. And 6 and 5 and 4. Belly button in towards your lower back. And 3 and 2 and 1 and lower down. Well done. Keep your hands folded and we're going to take an inhale. Head and the chest off the mat. Keep your feet on the ground. Hold for a second and exhale, lower down. And let's go for 5 more. Strengthening posterior muscles of the back. Inhale and exhale. 2 more. Well done. We're going to bring the hands out to the sides, candle holders, and we come into the Superman. So let's prepare. We're going to lift the head, chest and the legs off the mat, arms as well. So let's go inhale. Strong back, keep gazing down towards the mat, long neck, long spine, reach away with your legs. Hold the second and exhale, over down. Let's go for 5 more. And exhale. And exhale. 3 more. Let's prepare. Inhale and exhale, and 2 more. I'm going to reach the arms forward and bring them in, squeeze the scapulas together and exhale, over down. Let's go last time. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale in. And exhale, lower down. Well done. Bring your hands slightly closer to your body. Hands are at the ears. Elbows close. We're going to take an inhale. And we will extend the neck. Roll the shoulders. And lift the chest off the mat into our Sphinx pose. There should be no pain in your lower back. Bring your belly button in towards your lower back. Protect. Inhale, and then with exhale, roll down on the mat. Let's go one more time. Inhale, extend your neck. Roll your shoulders back. And slowly roll up into your Sphinx pose. Belly button in. And exhale, lower down. You can come and do two the same back extensions, or come and extend your arms fully if you can. Inhale. And raise up, extend fully. Nice stretch, keep the belly button in. Open up your chest, collarbones wide. And exhale, roll down. Let's take an inhale one more time. Roll your shoulders, raise up, extend, belly button in, and exhale, lower down. Well done. I'm going to press in the mat, and let's come into our child pose. So bring the knees together and sit on your heels, reach your arms forward and stretch your back in the child pose. Take a couple of breaths here and exhale. And exhale. You should feel the muscles of your lower back on your back being worked on. Well done. Nice stretch for them now. Perfect. Push away from the mat. And we're going to come into our all-four position. So make sure the wrists are underneath the shoulders, the knees are underneath the hips, neutral spine position, belly button is in, and we start with our wrist circle. So you're going to bring the body weight to the right side, forward, left, and back, and right, forward, and back, and change direction to the left side, forward, through the right side and back in the center, and last time through the left side, forward and right, back in the center. Well done. We're going to reach the left arm forward, right leg long behind you. We'll come into our spinal balance position. So you'll take an inhale, raise the arm and the leg up into the shoulder hip height, reach nice and long all the way through from tip of your toes up to your tip of your fingers. Belly button in, long spine, and lower down. And let's go for 5 more. Raise up with inhale and exhale, lower down. Try to gaze down on the mat and continue. And let's do 2 more. And last one. Lower down. Let's switch the sides. So right arm reach forward, left leg long behind you, belly button in, neutral spine position, long neck. And let's raise up into the shoulder hip height, reach long, someone is pulling you through, and exhale, lower down. Let's go for 5 more. Three more. Inhale and exhale. One more time. and bring your arms back into position. Let's extend the right leg behind. Raise it up into your hip height. Reach nice and long. Point the toes. You can slightly turn your hands out to the sides if you want. And we're going to come into our push-up. So we will lower down, bring the chest towards the mat, and exhale, push away. And let's go. Inhale and exhale. Keep the leg up into your position. And let's do 2 more. And last one here. Lower your leg down. Extend your left leg. Raise it up into your hip height. Throw your belly button in. Inhale, lower down. And exhale, push away. And let's do one more time. Well done. Bring your leg back in the position. And from here we're going to tuck the toes. We're going to lift the knees off the mat. We'll push back and extend the legs into our down dog position. Okay, so we're going to try to reach the head and the chest towards the knees. Try to reach your heels down towards the mat. Feel nice, stretching your calves, your hamstrings, your back and your arms. Belly button in. Take an inhale, come into your plank. And exhale, push back into your down dog. Inhale, come into your plank position. Nice long line. Exhale, push back. With inhale, we'll bring the right leg forward. We will drop the knee. I'm going to come into the low lunge stretch. Okay, so we will raise up. We're going to push the pelvis down and trying to reach forward while reaching nice and tall from the torso, from the waist. We're going to raise the arms up. Deepen your stretch. Take a couple of breaths here. Going to place the hand on the thigh and we will come into the side lateral stretch. So we will reach to the right side and then return. We will drop the hand down on the mat and we will open through the right side. Look up, reach your arm long towards the ceiling, and then with exhale, place your hand down and tuck your toe. Bring your leg back into your down dog position. Come into your high plank. Inhale and exhale, push back. Inhale, come into your high plank and exhale, push back. Now I'm going to bring the left foot in between the hands, drop the knee down. We're going to raise up, push the pelvis forward and press down. Feel the stretch on the front of your hip flexors. Reach nice and tall. Inhale, raise your arms up towards the ceiling, shoulders are away from the ears. Couple of breaths here. Going to place the hand on the thigh and we will reach laterally to the left side, feeling the stretch here on the right side. Come back in the center. Going to drop the hand down and we open through the left side. Inhale and exhale. Okay, bring your hand back in the position, untuck your toe, come back into your down dog. Take a couple of breaths here. And come into the seated position in the center of your mat. So the front leg will be parallel with the mat and your left leg will be parallel with the side of your mat. We come into the mermaid stretch. So we'll place the right hand down on the mat. We're going to reach the left hand up towards the ceiling, and we will stretch down. Inhale, we will raise up, and then with exhale we will stretch the other side. Inhale, come back into the center. Let's switch the leg position. So we will take an inhale, reach the right arm up towards the ceiling, and then with exhale we will stretch to the left side. Inhale, raise up, then with exhale going to bring the left arm above the head and stretch to the side. Inhale, come back into the center, come into your cross-seated position in the center of your mat. Going to bring the hands behind the head, sit nice and tall. Inhale, and then with exhale we'll stretch the neck, so bring the elbows together and gently tilt your head down towards your chest. Feel the stretch on the back of your neck. Inhale, open up, and exhale, we'll bring the hands down on the mat. Then we will grab the head from the side with the left palm, and we gently pull down to the side while we flex the right hand. And exhale, tuck your chin, look down, deepen your stretch, and come back in the center. Now right hand will come onto the head, gently pull down to the right side, flex your left hand, pull down. Couple of breaths here. You should feel the stretch in the side of your neck muscles. And gentle tuck in. Well done. Come back into the center. Going to take inhale, and then we exhale. Last time, round out your spine. Inhale, sit nice and tall. Push your shoulders back and press them down. Long neck, belly button in. Well done everyone, perfect. Thank you for joining me today for our first Mat Pilates or Pre-Pilates flow. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you improved on your practice and you learned some of the technique of the Pre-Pilates exercises, and because for our second block we will move on our first beginner set of exercises for abdominal strength. So I'm looking forward to that, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.